I paid 4 different creators on Fiverr to design hardware projects for me, and here is what I've got. The first thing was a robotic chassis design for $120 by Lampu. All I provided was a simple sketch, and in the end I got a CAD design that looked very promising. After printing all the parts, which took quite a lot of time, the design worked. And now I have a very powerful robotic chassis for my future projects. The next thing was a PCB design for $120 by Suresh. I really like how the schematic is organized and how the PCB is designed. Everything is very clean, and the source file as well as production ready files were provided, so I just sent them to JLC PCB, and in the end I got a PCB that looks like this. The next CAD design was just $60. It was made by Nimpung, and here I wanted to have a smaller robotic chassis designed according to Open Robotic Platform design rules. The design looks very promising, but I was a bit worried that the TPU tracks might slip on the wheels, and after printing all the parts I have to confirm that it works flawlessly and can even climb books. The other PCB was $170 made by Afula Kumar, and this is a controller for IndieMower, my DIY open source lawn mowing robot that I'm working on. Once again, the schematic is very clean and I like how the PCB is designed. The source file as well as production files were provided, so I just ordered the PCB at JLC PCB, and here it is. Looks very nice, can't wait to use it in a project. And at the very end I also ordered a poster on Fiverr based on my old project, a Mini Mars rover. Looks pretty cool. It was very nice to try outsourcing some parts of my projects on Fiverr, and if you want to try it as well, there will be a link in the first comment under this video. If you want to see more projects about my videos, subscribe to the channel.